Welcome to the Quick Currency Heatwave tutorial. All the data in the app is from the live market feed. Find the strong and weak currencies at a glance in our currency pinwheel. If the currency portion is contracted, it's weak, and if expanded, it's strong. Receive alerts when the currency is extremely strong or extremely weak. The strength meter gives clear picture of the currency strengths against one another. The lower the strength meter, the lower the currency is being pushed, and higher the strength meter and higher the currency is pushed. The volume screen shows the most contracts traded amongst the currencies. The higher the volume, the more liquid is the currency, and lower volume denotes lower liquidity in the currency. The validity screen shows the most volatile currency for that moment. Higher validity indicates the currency that is being traded most aggressively at that point. The sentiment screen shows the bullish and bearish tendencies for the particular currency based on market sentiments. Receive alerts when the sentiment is extremely bullish or extremely bearish.